Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to take a look at what instances are in geometry nodes with a beginner-friendly walkthrough. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll be glad to help. Instances in geometry nodes are basically lightweight duplicates of geometry. Instead of making a full copy of the mesh, they save memory and keep your computer from slowing down. The cool part is, you can still move, rotate, and scale them individually. As always, I'm using Blender 4.3. Go ahead and start a new project. This gives you the default Blender scene. First, select the light and camera and delete them. Then select the default cube and click on the Geometry Nodes tab to get started. In Geometry Nodes, start by clearing the scene, turn on snapping, and click New. Delete the group input and add a grid in its place, then connect it to the output. To see the grid more clearly, switch the viewport shading to wireframe. Right now, the grid is set to 1 meter by 1 meter with 3 by 3 points. Go ahead and increase the grid size and add more points. Once that's done, switch the viewport shading back to solid. Alright, we're ready to make some instances. Add an instance on points node and a join geometry node. Drop the join geometry onto the main connection line, then plug the mesh into the points and the instances into geometry. At first, nothing new shows up. You'll just see the grid. So, let's add a cylinder object and plug it into the instance input. The cylinders are a bit too big, so set the scale to 0.2. Now you'll see 25 smaller cylinders neatly placed on the grid. To change up the cylinders, try adjusting some of the rotation values, but as you can see, they're all rotating the same way. To fix that, add a random value node. Since both rotation and scale are vectors, they use 3-axis values. So, switch the random value to vector so we get 3 random numbers. Set the max to something big, like 180, and plug it into rotation. Now all the cylinders are rotated differently. You can click the little arrow on the node to collapse it and keep things tidy. Next, Let's give the cylinders different scales. Add another random value node. Set it to vector, plug it into scale, and collapse the node. Now each cylinder has its own random size. And that's it for this quick intro to instances in geometry nodes. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. I'd also love to hear your tips or feedback on how I can make these videos better. Feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram and share your projects with me there. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials.